Get XPR address in Binance. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to get XPR address in Binance. In order to get the XPR address in Binance, you could follow the simple steps. So first thing first, what you want to do is open up your Binance application and log into your account. When you're logged into your Binance account, that will take you to the home page. Now since I am not logged in, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my account. So here I have a Google account that's linked with my account, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this procedure. After you're logged in, it will take you to the home page. Here what you want to do is you want to go to trade, then you want to go ahead and click on buy or sell. And when you go and click on sell, it's gonna indicate withdraw or it's gonna indicate the address. So what you have to do is, so from the home page, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and locate XPR. After you locate XPR, you want to go ahead and click on receive. Since I haven't verified my account, so the interface will be different than yours. When you tap on the receive button, then next field you could see the actual wallet address or the QR code. All you need to do is just copy the wallet address and then copy the QR code, or maybe take a screenshot of the QR code, after which you'll be taken to the next page, and there you could go ahead and get the XP address. So this way you'll be able to get the XPR address. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.